Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about arm signals, otherwise known as hand signals, when driving. I will specifically be answering the question of when to use arm signals when driving, and I'll be giving you some examples. So this will be a video with examples. Let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, when do you use arm signals when driving? Well, basically when your car's regular signaling systems or regular exterior bulbs aren't working. Now these bulbs are your brake lights, okay, and your turn signals. Now, if your brake lights don't work, they're obviously in the back of your car. If your brake lights don't work, even if one of your brake lights doesn't work, I still recommend that you use arm signals or hand signals until you fix that burnt out bulb or broken bulb. And if any of your signals don't work, any on the front or any on the rear, even if you have a side marker that doesn't work, I recommend that you use hand signals or arm signals. I know this might be overkill because some people only will recommend doing it when all of your bulbs, like all of your left signals are burnt out. I don't recommend that. If one bulb is burnt out, use your hand signal, and it also it forces you to basically fix that bulb. Because if I'm using my hand signal all the time, then guess what? I'm going to really fix that bulb today. So the rear tail light bulb in my wife's car, which is this car that I'm driving today right now, burnt out the other day. I was using hand signals to show when I was braking, and I fixed it that afternoon because it was so annoying using those hand signals. So the examples, now that I told you when to use them, the examples, well, these are the hand signals or arm signals that you're going to be using. So you want to use your left hand because, you know, I'm on the driver's side, which is on the left side of the car, and it's going to be out your window, and I'll demonstrate in a moment. But basically, if you're going to be stopping, your arm goes down like this, okay? You're going like this. You keep a fist all the time. Some people will tell you to do this. I recommend you keep a fist. That's my opinion. It all depends on where you live, though. They'll require different signals. But your arm goes down out the window like that, basically, okay? If you're going left, your arm goes straight out the window, straight out, okay? And if you're turning right, your arm goes straight up like that, okay? Just as if you're flexing your bicep like that. Wow, it looks not too shabby, eh? I should start working out again. Anyways, basically you're only going to use the arm signal that's associated with the bulb that's burnt out or broken, with the signal that's broken. So if my brake light was burnt out, I'm only going to use my braking signal. I'm not going to use the left turn signal or the right turn signal. But basically you want to do it straight out the window. I'm going to open my window. I'm going to lower my voice just a little bit. But basically, like I said, if I'm stopping, my arm goes down like that. If I'm turning left, straight out. And then if I'm turning right, straight up like that. It kind of makes sense that, you know, if I go straight up, I'm like, you know, towards the right, like this, right? Okay. If I'm going straight out, that's like I'm pointing towards the left almost with my fist. And stopping is like stop. Stop. It just makes sense. But that's it. That is when to use arm signals when driving, otherwise known as hand signals, and sort of some examples of how to use them. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.